Well, looking for my perch spot in the GPS. Should be there within 400 meters. I'm with white tip, Derek, Deschambault. There's somebody driving around there. Could catch a few perch. Alright, see you later. Oh, I got my tent going. My Cabela's tent. Deschambauld's about a click that way.
That's what you're fishing.
I'll sit on the left. This one.
That one?
Yeah. Got our heater going. Getting ready to fish. And the two buddies, white tip and a muskwa. Alright. Snap later. Two perch so far. You got one? A giant? Alright, there's a perch right there, boys.
Right on.
Look at mine.
Right on, right on.
Look at mine. Yeah, shit. Hey, they're getting bigger, boy. Hey, Derek. Yep. That's a good one. She's bending it. She's bending it. Oh, go through the hole. There you go. That's a decent sized perch right there, boys, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, Derek.
That's pretty good size.
Not bad, not bad. Good for supper? No. Trapping bait, I suppose. Too big, is it? Uh-oh, that's number two. Two decent sized ones. Start spinning. Start spinning. Go. Perchy, perchy, perchy. Cheese. Cheese. Oh yeah. I'm done in it. Oh, drag, too much drag. Little perch. Be careful through the hole. There it is. Perchy, perchy, perchy. Number 6, Derek. What about you?
Number two. Number two.
Alright, you're gonna catch up anyway. Don't worry about it.
Oh, yes. Little cheap hook.
Yeah, they work good. Checking out my hook. Hey, busted. You got a walleye.
We got a walleye here. Woo!
Knew there was walleye down there. Good fishing. Yeah, let's keep the line tense. Of course it. Oh, yeah, it's a bird body. See it. Oh, it's the butt. That's a big bird. Not bad. Right there.
Holy shit.
Oh, yeah.
That's a big bird boy.
Oh, man, there. That's about 7
pounds.
Well, I'm going to wrap it up. Good enough fishing for me for today. Might hit the Pell somewhere close. Since it's still cold. There's my fishing tent. It's good enough for 5 people. Nice and big. But here's the Deschambault right there. It's only about a click that way. It's still a good daylight. It's 5 o'clock. Almost 5. Ready for the long hike. Wish the white tip was a dog.
Oh, it's a good.
Dog's letting dog it. I don't know. It's only a kilometer.